Okay, we are on the southwest side of Purdy, out in the country. I just wanted to... We went and got our daughter, and now we're just driving around.
What is that?
Looking at everything.
A mangled mess. You gotta look over here.
Yeah, over here it's just nothing but trees and tin, and we just passed a house that was completely demolished. I don't think you can see through there. There's a car passing us. But there's, if you can see, you can't really see with this thing. I'm sorry.
Turn the light up on it.
There is no light. There's tin all in that tree. Look at all those trees that just stuck to the wall. There's tin stuck in a wall. Yeah. Look, that tree. What is that? A box of some sort?
A box. There's a barn now. The guy's picking up out of his field.
Are we going to go on that back road now, or?
Well, I think it's more that way than it is.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a driveway. Like I said, this is the southwest side of Purdy. Oh, look at the cemetery. The gravestones are still there. And we're going to turn this way. Now we're going west.
Trailer. No, those fruit boxes. Just nothing. Stuff in these trees.
Yeah. I think they just...
There's a trailer.
Yeah, there used to be a trailer that stood there, and there's no trailer or nothing. No home.
Wood, trailer parts, everything in there. There's something. Oh.
Those are hay bales.
See all of those.
Oh, look way back in there.
That's all it's looking at.
Can't see it with this.
Okay, right up here there was...
Oh yeah, there's like a whole bunch of people back there.
Oh yeah.
At that house. Yeah, there's nothing. Here, I can't look at it. Can you see it with this? Here. I gave it to him for a second. Water's running. I think that's it for this area.
We'll go back the other way.
We'll go back into the other side and videotape some more.